I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create fashion product feature with RTMKIT. But first of all, you need to install RTMKIT first. You need to install RTMKIT and activate it. And after that, you go to install WooCommerce and add product, new product, and writing down and put name and picture and price. And after that, you can go to create page and edit to Elementor, Flexbox, and add element. And you need to scroll down to find, you need to upgrade it to RTMKIT Pro. You need to find RTMKIT Pro and upgrade it. RTMKIT Pro. Use RTMKIT Pro that you can upgrade it for $59 for one site. You can find it in rom10.net plugin /RTMKIT. You can purchase it in here. Here, professional lifetime for 10 website, $99, and unlimited lifetime, $249 for 100 website. You need to just buy once use lifetime. After you upgrade it, you can go to RTMKIT Pro in here, and you can go to Flexbox, add element, scroll down, RTMKIT Pro, image hotspot, drag and drop. You can change image in here, this one for fashion, and and you can add item in here. You can text only, image only, text and image, post product. You can choose product also. And you can adjust the page. Here's the product. Now you get the fashion feature display. You can show icon image instead of icon. In here, you can change the button icon. Like this one, more detail. You can do configuration also. Is that hover, click. When it's click, now you get the information. Is that pulse or ripple, like or that? Yeah, if you want to have a product feature or for fashion or any product, you can install it at RTMKIT Pro. Thank you. Product